G'day everyone. So if you've been looking for the PX Ranger Ford Workshop Manual, I have got the one for you today. So I've teamed up with a company called eManuals Online to bring you the full workshop manual, and it comes with a number of documents that are attached to this online download, which you can download. And some of those things, you have the full workshop manual, which is about 1,400 pages, covers every single procedure that you've probably seen in my videos: turbo removal, injector replacement, injector pump replacement, valve body, all that sort of stuff. It just goes into a little bit more detail on how to do those procedures with photographs, not photographs, but with diagrams. And it gives you all the torque settings and everything that you will probably ever need to know in regards to that. Sometimes I miss things on my video, so it's always good to have the workshop manual there side by side just to help you through that process. It also comes with the body repair manual. So if you're a panel beater, it shows you how to replace panels. If you need to do like a radiator, front radiator support replacement, shows you where all the spot welds are and how to do that. It also comes with a full wiring diagram, so every single bit of wiring that's on the PX Ford Ranger shows you exactly where that goes and what it is. And it also comes with the Ford Ranger user manual, so that is included in download as well. But not only that, if you use the code ABDAUTO22, you will get that 22% discount. Very handy thing to have, especially if you're doing a lot of repairs on the PX Ranger. As I said, sometimes I miss things in my videos, so it's always good to have a video as well as the proper workshop manual there, just to lead you through the procedure so you get everything done according to factory specifications. So that being said, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next one.